Hello guys, welcome to the Opulent Life. This is Ozzy here again, and yet again I have another unboxing for you guys. This time it is a fragrance I purchased from Joma Shop, the Calvin Klein Eternity Summer 2019 Men's Edition, 3.3 ounce, 100 milliliters. So I got this for $31.99 from Joma Shop. However, it is now on sale for an even lesser price at sites like fragrancenet.com, where it is retailing for around $25.99, and it's possible that this fragrance might be even cheaper at other locations. So it is a great time to buy this fresh scent cologne that I just checked out at a department store a couple months back before the pandemic started. It was one of my favorite perfumes, and finally I got the chance to purchase it now that summer is approaching nearby. So let's proceed then to unbox and see what's inside. Summary style box. Guys, I will be making a video to show you guys how to check if this is from a fresh batch or not. Alright, and as I mentioned, this is an eau de toilette, so it's not super strong. Don't expect it to last forever after one spray. It is going to require a couple of squirts if you want it to last longer, but at the end of the day, the concentrations for eau de toilettes are not very great, so expect it to last maybe around 4 to 5 hours at the most. And technically speaking, I have owned many different eau de parfums, eau de toilettes. Parfums tend to last a little bit longer, around 8 hours. Toilettes, not more than 3 to 4. And if you get the full parfums for some brands, they tend to last the whole day, but they can be too strong for some people. But eau de toilette usually is a good balance for most people. So let's go ahead and see what's inside. Alright, so it comes in this nice, clean looking bottle. Nothing too fancy. Clear liquid of the perfume is, the cologne, sorry, is visible. And yeah, it is 3.3 ounce and shows made in France. Made in France is always, I found that usually made in France perfumes and colognes tend to be a little fantastic choice for if you're looking for a cologne for summer. You can't go wrong with this one. Calvin Klein Eternity for Men Summer. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, do like and subscribe. I will be posting more content very soon. Take care and have a nice day.